Big news in the world of AI. Salesforce and NVIDIA are teaming up to revolutionize how we interact with technology. Think automation, personalization, and a whole new level of AI-powered agents. If you thought AI was impressive before, wait till you see what's coming next. The partnership overview. Salesforce and NVIDIA have joined forces in what could be one of the most transformative collaborations in the AI space. Salesforce, a global leader in customer relationship management, CRM, software, has long been at the forefront of digital transformation for businesses. Their Einstein GPT platform, introduced in recent years, already uses generative AI to enhance customer experiences. NVIDIA, renowned for its cutting-edge GPUs and AI frameworks, has reshaped how AI operates at scale. This partnership revolves around NVIDIA's generative AI and large language models, LLMs, which will be integrated into Salesforce's Einstein GPT platform. The goal is to develop auto agents, AI-powered virtual assistants that go far beyond today's chatbots. These agents are designed to predict needs, analyze data in real time, and execute tasks autonomously, providing businesses with unparalleled efficiency and personalization. What makes auto agents revolutionary? Auto agents represent the next evolution in AI-driven customer interactions. Unlike traditional virtual assistants, which rely on predefined scripts or limited AI, these auto agents leverage advanced generative AI models to adapt and learn dynamically. Key features of auto agents include real-time personalization. Auto agents can analyze customer data instantly, tailoring interactions to individual preferences and past behavior. Autonomous decision-making. They can make complex decisions, such as recommending products, resolving customer issues, or even automating workflows without human intervention. Cross-industry applications. From retail to healthcare, these agents are designed to handle a wide range of industry-specific tasks. Scalability. Auto agents can scale effortlessly, managing millions of interactions simultaneously without a dip in quality. For instance, in retail, an auto agent could guide a customer through their shopping journey, suggest items based on their purchase history, and even handle returns seamlessly. In healthcare, they might assist patients in booking appointments, accessing medical records, or understanding post-treatment care instructions. NVIDIA Generative AI Contribution. NVIDIA Generative AI technology is the backbone of this innovation. Their large language models, such as NeMo, are built to understand and generate human-like language with extraordinary accuracy. These models have been trained on diverse datasets, making them adaptable across industries and use cases. What sets NVIDIA's NeMo apart is its customization capability. Businesses can fine-tune these models to align with specific workflows or customer needs. For example, a financial institution could use a fine-tuned model to detect fraud patterns or assist clients in financial planning. An e-commerce platform might employ it to drive real-time inventory management and personalized marketing. NVIDIA's hardware advancements, particularly their GPUs, further enhance the performance of these AI systems. These processors allow for faster training and inference of models, enabling real-time interactions with minimal latency. Salesforce's Einstein GPT, a game changer. Einstein GPT has already redefined how businesses leverage AI in CRM. It integrates natural language processing, NLP, predictive analytics, and machine learning to empower users with actionable insights. With NVIDIA's partnership, Einstein GPT is evolving into a more robust, generative AI-driven platform. Core benefits of Einstein GPT include predictive customer insights. Businesses can anticipate customer needs before they arise, ensuring proactive engagement. Enhanced workflow automation. Routine tasks like data entry, scheduling, and reporting are handled by AI, reducing manual effort. Improved data analysis. The integration with NVIDIA's AI will enable deeper, more accurate analysis of customer and market trends. For example, a sales representative using Einstein GPT could receive real-time suggestions for upselling or cross-selling opportunities during a customer meeting, boosting revenue and customer satisfaction simultaneously. Industry impact. The Salesforce and NVIDIA partnership will likely disrupt multiple industries, reshaping how businesses operate and interact with their customers. Retail. AI agents will offer hyper-personalized shopping experiences, They can guide customers through their purchasing journey, suggest items based on trends or preferences, and even automate returns or exchanges. Healthcare. Virtual agents can assist in appointment scheduling, medication reminders, or even triaging patients based on their symptoms. Finance. Fraud detection, risk assessments, and personalized financial advice can be handled by AI agents, offering more secure and efficient services. Manufacturing. Predictive maintenance and supply chain optimization could become standard practices, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. These agents will serve as a bridge between businesses and customers, enhancing trust and driving loyalty. Challenges and ethical considerations. As with any technological leap, challenges must be addressed to realize the full potential of this partnership. Data privacy. Ensuring customer data remains secure and private is critical, especially when dealing with sensitive information in industries like healthcare and finance. Salesforce and NVIDIA need to implement strict encryption protocols and transparency measures. Bias in AI models. Generative AI can inadvertently replicate biases present in training data. Both companies must prioritize fairness and inclusivity in their models. Cost of implementation. Small and medium-sized businesses may find it challenging to adopt these advanced technologies due to cost constraints. Offering scalable and affordable solutions will be key to widespread adoption. Salesforce and NVIDIA have emphasized their commitment to responsible AI, focusing on ethical practices and regulatory compliance to mitigate these challenges. The future of work with auto agents. One of the most exciting prospects of this collaboration is its potential to reshape the workplace. Auto agents will take over repetitive, time-consuming tasks, allowing human employees to focus on strategic and creative endeavors. In a typical office setting, an AI agent could handle scheduling, freeing up time for employees to focus on innovation, provide real-time insights from vast datasets, enabling faster decision-making, assist in onboarding new employees by providing instant answers and resources. This human-AI partnership could redefine productivity, making workplaces more dynamic and future-ready. Why this partnership matters. The collaboration between Salesforce and NVIDIA is more than just a business deal. It's a glimpse into the future of AI integration. By combining NVIDIA's technological prowess with Salesforce's industry expertise, they are setting new benchmarks for what AI can achieve. This partnership also underscores the importance of collaboration in driving innovation. As other tech giants watch closely, this alliance could spark a wave of similar initiatives, accelerating advancements in AI across the board. The partnership between Salesforce and NVIDIA is set to redefine the future of AI, unlocking possibilities that were once thought to be years away. From revolutionizing customer interactions to reshaping industries with AI-powered auto agents, the impact will be profound. If you're as excited as we are about these advancements, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of groundbreaking technology. Let us know in the comments how you think this partnership will shape the industries you care about most. The revolution is here. Are you ready?